DeWalt hacks, killer deal on these guys. They just barely dropped. Big shout out to I believe Kyler, and big shout out to me because I did find a couple of these. Yes, guys, this is the atomic, and also, guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribes and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. All right, so we got the atomic. These are killer deals, guys. These are hacks, killer hacks. Brushless impact driver. This is the one of the newer, the most compact DeWalt that they have. This is the famous, the 850 with the 5 amp hour starter kits. Does include a charger in a bag, so really nice. $219, right? Not the best deal, but you can choose a free item. So you're gonna choose the battery, which that's what you're gonna get. You're gonna select add to the cart. You're gonna get the battery for $98. $120.51, guys. Go get them. These are really good tools, especially for $100, $120. Killer deal on these, guys. Wow, that's really good. Let's show you guys one more that I have. If it's gonna let me show you guys, I don't think it will. Hold on, let me just put it to the other side. If maybe it'll let me do it here. All right, so here's the other one. All right, so the other one, this one's the 20V Max XR hammer drill and atomic impact driver 2-tool combo kit with the 4 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag. This one's pretty good too. You guys are able to choose the free gift with purchase. On that one, I'm not gonna put everything in there because it'll make me delete it, and that, or actually maybe let's find out if I can am able to do it. Select item, add to cart. All right, so it did let me do it, so it's dropped down to $187. That is a killer deal for 2 tools, 2 batteries, charger in a bag, guys. That's really good. Let me just see if I could do the last one. If it'll hurry up and let me do it. We delete everything. Yes, come on, delete. Didn't delete. Yes, delete. All right, so the last one. Oh, did I just? Okay, I think I brushless impact driver. Maybe it's this one. Hold on. Oh my god, I think I lost it. Yeah, I lost it, guys. It's the drill. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of the video. I did lose it. I do apologize for that. You guys are able to hack that one too. You guys are able to choose from any of those 3. Definitely check it out, guys. Go get them. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one.